everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to explore some amazing and creative woodcrafts art ideas that you can try at home. Wood is such a versatile material that can be transformed into beautiful pieces of art. So, let's get started. 1. Wood burn coasters. For this project, you will need some wooden coasters, a wood burning tool, and a design template. Use the wood burning tool to create intricate designs on the coasters. You can personalize them with initials, patterns, or even quotes. These coasters make great gifts or additions to your home decor. 2. Wooden wall art. Create a stunning piece of wall art using different sizes and shapes of wooden blocks. Paint each block in different colors and arrange them in a pattern on a wooden board. This modern and abstract art piece will add a pop of color to any room. 3. Wooden plant stand. Upgrade your plant display with a DIY wooden plant stand. Use wooden dowels or branches to create a simple and stylish stand for your indoor plants. You can customize the height and design to fit your space perfectly. 4. Wood slice photo transfer. Transfer your favorite photos onto wood slices for a rustic and unique display. Print your photo on a transparency sheet and apply it to a wood slice using gel medium. Once dry, remove the paper to reveal the transferred image. Seal it with a clear coat for a lasting finish. 5. Wooden spoon art. Turn plain wooden spoons into works of art by painting them with colorful designs or patterns. You can use acrylic paint, markers, or even wood-burning tools to create intricate details. These decorated spoons can be used as kitchen decor or as functional pieces. 6. Wooden jewelry organizer. Create a stylish and functional jewelry organizer using a wooden board, hooks, and knobs. Paint or stain the board to match your decor and attach the hooks and knobs to hang necklaces, bracelets, and earrings. This organizer not only keeps your jewelry organized but also adds a decorative touch to your space. 7. Wooden bookends. Add a touch of whimsy to your bookshelves with DIY wooden bookends. Cut wooden blocks in fun shapes like animals, geometric designs, or letters. Paint or stain them in coordinating colors and use them to keep your books upright and organized. These personalized bookends make a great gift for book lovers. 8. Wooden key holder. Keep your keys organized and easily accessible with a handmade wooden key holder. Attach hooks to a wooden plaque or board and add a decorative touch with paint, stencils, or wood burning. Hang it near your entryway for a functional and stylish way to store your keys. 9. Wooden wall clock. Create a unique and eye-catching wall clock using a wooden base and clock mechanism. Customize the design by painting the numbers, adding decorative elements, or using different wood stains. This handmade clock will be a focal point in any room and adds a personal touch to your decor. 10. Wooden plant hangers. Elevate your indoor plants with DIY wooden plant hangers. Use wooden dowels, beads, and twine to create stylish and minimalist plant hangers that can be hung from the ceiling or mounted on the wall. These plant hangers add a bohemian touch to your space and showcase your greenery in a creative way. Conclusion. There you have it, some creative woodcraft art ideas to inspire your next DIY project. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced crafter, working with wood can be a rewarding and fulfilling experience. Let your creativity flow and see what amazing creations you can come up with. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more creative craft ideas. Happy crafting!